Want to personalize your Tesla? As of late 2025, you can easily add custom lock and unlock sounds to your Tesla Model 3, Y, S, X, Cybertruck, and even the upcoming Roadster. This video will guide you through the process, making your Tesla truly unique. No hardware mods are required, just software magic. Custom lock sounds provide audible feedback when you lock or unlock your Tesla using the key fob, app, or touchscreen. These sounds are stored in your car's media system and triggered by proximity sensors or app commands. It's all software, so it won't affect your lock's mechanical function. To ensure your custom sound works flawlessly, it needs to meet specific requirements. Use MP3, WAV, or AAC format. MP3 is preferred for efficiency as it provides good quality with smaller file sizes. Keep the length between 1 to 5 seconds to match the lock duration. Aim for a 44.1 kHz sample rate and 128/320 kilobit bitrate for optimal playback and battery life. First, prepare your sound file. Download or create a custom sound that meets Tesla's requirements. Make sure it's copyright-free to avoid any issues during upload. Next, open the Tesla mobile app, ensuring you have version 4.25 or later. Select your vehicle from the list. Then navigate to Vehicle Controls, followed by Audio and Sounds, and finally Lock Sounds. Now, tap the Add Custom Sound button. Choose your prepared sound file from your device's storage. Preview the sound to ensure it sounds good, then apply it to your vehicle. For older Tesla models from before 2022, or if uploads through the app fail, you can use a USB drive as an alternative method to add custom lock sounds. First, prepare your USB drive by transferring the sound file to a USB-C flash drive using your computer. The file should be in MP3 or WAV format, under 1 MB, and ready for playback. Next, insert the USB-C drive into the port in the center console of your Tesla vehicle. Make sure the drive is securely connected. Finally, navigate to the media player on your Tesla's touchscreen. Select the USB drive from the available sources, browse to your sound file, and choose it as your lock sound. Note that exact menu names may vary slightly depending on your software version. Facing issues with custom Tesla lock sounds? If your upload fails, check your internet connection first. For file format problems, try converting your sound to MP3, WAV, or AAC formats. If you can't access the app, use the USB drive method as an alternative. Low-quality files can cause lag, so ensure your sound meets the quality requirements like 44.1 kHz sample rate and appropriate bitrate. Custom sounds are part of a growing trend toward personalization in electric vehicles, where owners can customize their driving experience to reflect their personality and preferences. Looking ahead, Tesla may introduce AI-generated sounds, where you simply describe the sound you want, and the vehicle's AI creates it automatically for your lock and unlock functions. There's also an emphasis on low-power sounds to save battery life, aligning with the efficiency goals of electric vehicles, and ensuring that personalization doesn't compromise range. Future updates may even include community-voted sound libraries, where Tesla owners can vote on and access popular sound options created by the community. Many Tesla owners are enjoying custom lock sounds with creative choices. Popular examples include Star Wars themes like lightsaber sounds, engine revs for that classic car feel, and even personal touches like family laughter for a nostalgic lock confirmation. Experts view custom lock sounds as a low-risk, high-reward feature. Tesla engineers call it a gateway to deeper personalization, while reviewers like Dieter Bohn from The Verge praise it for boosting vehicle personality. Some safety experts note it could be distracting if sounds are too engaging. Surveys show significant benefits from personalization. A Tesla owner's online survey found 62% of owners have customized lock sounds, with 78% reporting increased satisfaction. J.D. Power reports personalized features contribute to 15% higher owner loyalty scores for Tesla compared to competitors. A Kantar study shows 45% of EV buyers now prioritize audio customization.